Dr. Raju Watve, what kind of patients come to you, and give us a few examples of certain problems that you have healed?
The main thing, the patients who come to me, I would like to tell that these are the people who have tried most of the present day things. They are not getting results in the outside medical or other faculties. And I would like to say that whatever I do is to complement today's medical science, definitely not to replace it. Each and every pathy, each and every technique is having its own limitations. Allopathy is having its own limitations, but at the same time, allopathy is one of the things where we can only turn to in emergencies and life-saving situations. So people who have tried most of the things, for example, unhealing wound which is not, wound is a cut, a surgical wound which is not healing for many days or many months, this case will come to me. Or a case like spasmodic torticollis, where the person is suffering from many years, the neck has gone to one side, or the face is doing certain twitching for many years. Most of the things which are not having remedy outside, all the pathies and all the techniques, they will come to me. Like cough and cold which is not going for years, temperature which is not going down for many months. And these type of cases where the stomach is upset for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, no relief from most of the medicines. And in these cases we are getting excellent results. Frozen shoulders and whatnot.
I have heard that you have healed many patients of diseases which are not considered curable, for example, psoriasis, diabetes. Could you elaborate a little?
Yeah, I can tell you that it is difficult to cure, it doesn't make it incurable. And in psoriasis, I have realized that this is not always a psychological case or a psychosomatic case, but unknowingly it has been treated like a psychosomatic case. If you look at things, everything is psychological. But in the real sense of the word, it has become physical now. So the kidneys and the liver, if I learn the technique to clean this liver and the kidneys of the unnecessary energy, it will, because the kidneys and the skin, they are working together for the excretion of the urine and the sweat. If you take the medical or the chemical components, you will find a lot of similarity between the urine and the sweat. So this we can experience when during summer, when it's very hot, you're sweating a lot, so urinate very little. So in the cold climate, cold areas, you don't sweat, you urinate a lot. So this is balancing the kidneys and the liver and the skin. So in psoriasis, the expression is basically on the skin, but the problem is of the kidneys and the liver. That is what I have found. And by treating the liver and the kidneys and rearranging the food habits, there are a lot of minerals which can be avoided, which will get filtered not in the proper way by the kidneys and express themselves on the skin. So we can avoid the unnecessary things. I am getting excellent results in psoriasis. Diabetes, I will not say I am getting excellent results, because the person to monitor the sugar, that is very difficult. Going to the doctor, again monitoring the medicine. But we can control diabetes to an extent. I am getting very good results in diabetes oriented problems like retinopathy and neurodegeneration and all.